So let's get right into it, guys. It's been an amazing day here for Tesla. This is TSLL, the leveraged Tesla stock that is up 2x to what Tesla is. So today we saw that TSLL, if we draw the line, let's just take a look, because yesterday we saw it push up about 25%. And then later today, it pushed up for another 20%. So we saw a 44% increase on Tesla. The crazy part is this is what we actually mapped out for the week. We had this play actually in Tesla. You can see I had drawn these lines earlier this week. We had this trend. We're looking for it to break back above to these previous $15 a share levels. And if we look on Stockmate, I don't know that I'll be able to show you guys in full exposure here, but what we had laid out for this week, if we look on our actual watch list, we had TSLL for this week. Shorts not recommended. Tesla is on a tremendous track for innovation. It's at support and it's currently below fair value. Oh my gosh, we have absolutely seen it push up this week. Again, it was undervalued. It was right here at the support, right here at the SMA. We saw it really testing that support and the SMA, and the RSI and the MACD were really oversold at this point. And yesterday we saw it push up. Today we saw it push up for another 20%. Now today I only capitalized on about 1.62%. So better than yesterday when we were a little bit over 1%, but today we're almost to 2% on the day. So you can see I just have my Symbotic. So one of the other stocks we had picked out for this week was Symbotic. Symbotic, I bought some simple puts, or I sold some puts here. I see this retesting this support. It's testing the SMA. We had this golden opportunity here that I believe was a buy in the Fibonacci. And we've really seen, this is a company that does all of the robotics and AI. It's an AI company, the automation and the robotics for the logistics for Walmart. So they pulled back recently. I bought some 28.50, or I sold some calls, and we saw it push up today. If I can look at it, it seems like it's almost not updated, but we saw it push up today, and I'm up 1.62% on the day. So really just seeing it continue its pattern. We were looking at it really trending down, and if we just for a moment, if I just drop this Fibonacci here, and you can kind of see, we see it reversing. So really have a divergence, right? We had it peak out on the RSI and the MACD, and now on the RSI, we're seeing that it's actually gaining some momentum upwards. It pulled back. It's retesting that EMA. So Symbotic is a big one. But again, Tesla, just an absolute amazing move today. Definitely going to be watching it closely. I would like to buy a pullback. We saw it pull back end of day today, down from $13 down to $12.71. This is TSLL again. It's the 2x leveraged of Tesla. So that is something I want to keep an eye on. I'm going to hopefully buy in a pullback. I may even purchase and ride a day trade. Again, I see it getting up to $15 to $20 a share here on TSLL. I'm very bullish. Part of what was the catalyst? Well, I didn't buy in before the catalyst. As you guys know, we don't do that on the channel. Just like I could have bought right here before the robo-taxi event. And I did not, because it's a volatile time to buy right before an event. We saw it sell off aggressively after the event. And then right here, we saw it push up aggressively after earnings. So again, really volatile week for Tesla. We had it really just the past 10 days have been really just this cup, right? It's absolutely amazing. So we'll keep a close eye on it. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you all. For those of you guys that would like to watch me trade live tomorrow morning at market open, I would encourage you to simply take a look at the second link in the description. That's Stockmate. If you just simply want to work with me on a closer basis, you want to surround yourself with other investors and entrepreneurs, that's the place to do it. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.